Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, and if you if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. These are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So we are starting with GainX 1200. I'm using a 15-minute time frame. Okay, I'm on 15-minute time frame charts, and of course I'm using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator, a custom-made indicator that helps us to analyze better. Okay, so this actually got to this support zone. It has not been able to break out from there, so I tried to go back on uptrend, got to this region, sold for a while on this major pullback, but it went back up to break out above it, and it is still buying right now. Okay, so this is still more of a buying opportunity, not until it is unable to break out from the next resistance zone. That is when it's going to sell. Okay, now the next asset is going to be GainX 999. We actually picked up this GainX 999 signal yesterday, and of course gave us it was only able to achieve the first two TPs before turning down. Okay, so it didn't achieve the third one. Okay, so it came back down and it has been selling since then. Okay, so this is still selling right now. So the market decided to misbehave at that particular point. So of course we are still expecting it to buy later on, but for now we need it to finish up with the downtrend, which is on right now. Okay, so this is selling at the moment. Okay, so let's move on to PNX. This is PNX 1200, and this had been on downtrend right from this resistance. So you can see it was respected around there and got there again, and it respected it. It switched back into a downtrend, and it has been selling since then, even though it is coming towards this. Okay, if it should break out from here, it's going to sell more, but if it does not, it will switch back into an uptrend and target this region again, because it has been doing that for a while. Okay, so we should watch out for that. So this is selling for now until it is unable to break out from that support zone. Let's check out PNX 999. PNX 999 has been on a very strong uptrend. I told you this in the morning. We've been on this for a very long time, breaking out from most resistance zone. So it has gotten to a new resistance zone, giving us a switching into a downtrend. Okay, so we don't know if this is really going to sell for long, but for now I believe it should get to this region somewhere here. But if it should break out below this, then definitely it's going to sell more, and we may likely see it get into this region. Okay, but if it does not, it's most likely for it to go back to the resistance zone and see if it can break out from there, because it has been breaking out from most resistance zone. Okay, so for now this is selling at the moment, so we should take note of that. The last asset is going to be FX volume 80. FX volume 80 started a downtrend right from here, and I also dropped this signal yesterday. This happened to be our entry point. TP1 achieved, TP2 achieved, TP3 achieved, then TP4 achieved. The only TP that I didn't achieve is the fifth TP. So congratulations to those of you that actually made a lot of profit from this particular trading signal. So it was unable to break out. I was actually expecting to break out from this support region, but it was unable to break out from there. So it switched back into an uptrend, and this is buying at the moment, and it's still going to buy more because it will be targeting this region. Okay, So this is giving us a buying vibes at the moment. Okay, so that is how it works. So these are all that we have for tonight, and of course all you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect a trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, like my videos, watch my videos so that you will understand the strategies very well. Practice very well on your demo account before you start using it on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.